Hyliko's ambition is to decarbonize heavy goods transportation. We offer a complete service platform built on 3 pillars: vehicle provision, maintenance, and the supply of green hydrogen energy. We chose to focus on retrofitting, and we developed our own hydrogen kit to support the transition to a new energy source.
Our challenge is to provide the shop floor with a complete product definition that is easy to assemble, safe, and compliant with regulations. The architecture is modular. To carry out the engineering work, we needed an agile solution that allows us to work remotely, activate and deactivate licenses, access rights, and vehicle perimeters. The 3D Experience cloud-based solution was the obvious choice to achieve this objective.
First, it's a fully integrated solution. It's a collaborative solution. Concurrent engineering enables us to gain speed and improve the execution quality.
On the 3D Experience platform, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and validation are brought together. This enables us to work efficiently and with complete traceability to create our first prototypes very quickly. We're talking about roughly 6 months from the start of the design phase to prototype completion.
The platform accelerated the design process by facilitating collaboration with external partners who have direct access to the model without needing to transfer large amounts of data. Only one model is stored on the platform as the single source of truth. This ensures data reliability, keeps everything constantly up to date, and prevents miscommunication between different departments.
The value of Dassault Systèmes solutions lies in its agility and flexibility. Therefore, configuration management and digital continuity, from the design to production, ERP, and extending to customer deliveries, maintenance, and the entire vehicle lifecycle, are key to the project's success.